We're about to get naked right now. We have a guest.
We never have a guest, bro. We never have a guest.
Alright,
no one likes us, dude. I don't know what the deal is. We don't have any friends.
I didn't hit anyone up. If I would have hit up something, we'd be balls deep right now, man. Look at this thing. Look at this guy. Fucking vape life, dude. I'm gonna put a little. I did that in one of the videos when like your cloud comes out of nowhere. Just a little hashtag vape life on the screen.
Did you really?
Oh yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna sit down and look pretty, like I pay you to do. All right. So we are dunnies. I mean, well, we're at a stopping point. I'm fucking tired. What's wrong? I thought you liked chicken. These holes are what?
Smaller than that?
Look, any hole's a good hole, alright? Quit complaining.
Is that why you like my husband?
Any holes.
Hey, this is a family channel.
No, it's not.
It's not? Oh, I have to change that?
Is it?
I'll have to literally go home and change that.
Is it on family?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah. Cool.
No, I'm just kidding.
Do you have a drill?
I have 2 drills.
That's fun.
Why don't you use the actual impact? Those are impact grade drill bits.
Where it is. Don't care.
Don't care? Short hair, don't care? Losing hair, don't care?
Yeah, that's the problem there.
I wonder if that hair transplant that they could take off your ass.
Hell, dude.
God, that'd be so terrible. That fucking...
Tyler comes back. Everyone's like, I didn't know you have curly hair.
They'd be super fruity, too. Hey, what hole did I drill out? Oh, that's the one.
So, here it is.
$50. When they're usually like...
So,
I need more of those.
there's like literally really no gap right here. So you can only imagine how difficult it was to TIG weld that. I mean, it obviously required excessive stick out, but I mean, it was quite the challenge. It's not as pretty here as it is on the other side, and also this plate wasn't as clean as it needed to be, so I was having a fight with that. Where on this side, I kind of learned my lesson, and I made sure I cleaned it up nicely, and it came out a lot better.
Yeah.
On this side, so that was, it's just one of those things. First roll cage, you're gonna learn as you go.
I don't know what you're talking about. We've done this a million times.
We have. Yeah.
In my dreams.
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, if that's the case, then we just suck. But if this is our first roll cage, then we're doing good.
We're doing good.
Yeah, we're doing good. So, like, this was, I mean, when you got stuff like this, like obviously the back end of the TIG torch is gonna hit the roof. So, you got to put the short little cap on there, get a small tungsten, get a small cup. But it is extremely doable. You just have to really,
butt, woman.
You just have to really think about it. This all came out pretty good. These guys in the back were some next level stuff. Like all of this is okay, but just just right here.
Al, are you wearing underwear right now?
Yes, I'm wearing underwear.
You sure?
I'm actually wearing thermals and underwear. Anyways, that's none of your business. Did you just fart?
I don't know. Did it sound like?
I mean, it did, but I literally don't think I've ever heard you fart.
It's a bullfrog.
So yeah, I mean, check this out. I mean, like, this was difficult to get into. Like, plus you're in the trunk of a car. Like, it's not really that much fun. But I think it came out okay. I think it actually came out pretty good. I'm not trying to sound like I'm not impressed.
You're not impressed?
I am impressed.
I'm pretty impressed.
But what I mean by impressed is like I don't expect that much out of my own work. So because I'm a hard, I have heavy standards or whatever you want. I have hard standards.
And you're impressed?
I'm slightly impressed.
Are you? How'd you get this out of here?
Huh?
How'd you get this one out of here?
I don't know, dude. Like when you're trying to get into a tight spot like that, this is the kind of cup you need. You know?
Or at least that you use.
This is the kind of cup you wanna use on this inside part.
Didn't know what he was talking about.
And I was able to, do my weld all the way up until here, but on that other side, it's just too long. Like if I was able to somehow cut this with like some diamond cutting wheel or something that would prevent the Pyrex from breaking, I would have done that, but I didn't want to risk it. So you just got to think it out, kind of make a plan. But just on the very corner, it was literally only about like 5/8 or maybe like less than half an inch of that corner. Basically what you got to do is you just have to build up the material, build up the filler, and kind of work it into the actual corner, into the corner joint. So that's just one of those things you really have to think about it. And the only thing I would have done differently, obviously, is I would have just made these bars go a little bit further out into the middle. That way I had more room between this wheel weld and the bar itself.
Which we should have anyways, because at one point we're going to end up tubbing the rear end.
Right.
It's gonna mess us up. I mean, we're trying not to cuss on this channel here.
It's a family channel.
It's a family channel. Right.
We're like the Brady Bunch. I'm Thelma. I don't know who Thelma. Yeah, I'm Marsha. Whoever the fuck. I'm not that old.